I'm glad to welcome you to MCSolutions. I am Maurizio Cazzani, the General Manager since 2016. And right in that year, we realized that our mastery in data transmission deserved to be known all over the world, and in several sectors we could implement it. These sectors are custom-made high-tech hardware and software, for events, audio and video service, and conferences, video surveillance, and AGL monitoring and control in hyperfield. Together with the founder Umberto, we experienced for decades the airfield challenge and realized the world was ready for a high-tech revolution in AGL monitoring and remote control. Passion for aviation, curiosity for new solutions, and high-tech enthusiasm. This is MCSolutions.
I'm Deborah Cazzani and I'm in charge of marketing and export. And I'm glad to introduce you our full range of devices to deliver a complete remote monitoring and control of AGL on optical fiber. Up to 5 lamps at a time, keeping the individual lamp control on taxiway, center line, and all kinds of AGL, as well as stop bar managing runway incursion alarms and lead-on. Here is the module testing area, which is the core of our MIA system, and it is worldwide patent pending. It passes a severe quality test process from cables to optical connectors. And of course, it's data transmission, simulating each single command on each single module. It is IP68 resin filled, free from interferences, because we separate power supply from data transmission on optical cable, among modules, even on airfield. All our devices have been engineered with low consumption philosophy to resist in severe environmental conditions and, most of all, to be integrated with any kind of existing AGL or CCR. In compliance with EASA, FAA and ICAO regulations, our software is developed by a tremendous team. It is industrial PC based. It is portable on tablet for maintenance operators on airfield. It is tailored from layout up to command selection for each workstation. It is updated by remote. It is so flexible that we manage the viability on taxiways, allowing rehabilitation interventions at open airport. It is not just a simulation workstation, it is the real reproduction of our customer's aerodrome to test the responsiveness of our software and make changes on viability on real time. For us, it is very important receiving positive feedbacks from the operators on field. They are the best voices to trust about the highest efficiency achieved using optical fiber. Now, it is these voices' turn to let change the mindset of airports leaders, aviation authorities, and infrastructure engineering companies. Because AGL monitoring and control has always been conceived as a maintenance tool, but it is indeed a matter of safety.
Powerline communication is an obsolete technology. To give you a time reference, just think the smartphone were not even existing when it has been first used to control airfield light.
Definitely, it is time for a change, and I will list just a few good reasons. MIA system Modular Intelligence Airport is safe, reliable, sustainable, efficient, flexible, integrating to existing plants, and cuts dramatically fixed costs in maintenance interventions.
Any kind of project is an opportunity for us to improve and then to support you with the best solutions.